When you have passion for a thing and you do it and you see you are doing it in the right way and you are seeing the results, it's always give you joy. So it's rewarding.
It completely changes your mind about the way that you will see agriculture, food systems, and what is necessary for our future.
You work, and at the end of the day, you can see the work you've done, and it feels really good. You go to bed feeling like, oh, I really accomplished something today.
It's a really good environment for learning. The teachers and the students are very nice, and everyone has the same common goal of trying to make the environment a healthier place.